for that.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care here in Millsboro today. And we have a situation with a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, it's a fairly common issue with Chrysler products, whether it's Jeeps or Caravans or Pacificas, anything with a specific 3.6 liter motor. Very common. If you were to hear tapping while the engine is running, it's probably going to be your camshafts, which have suffered irreversible damage, and they're fatiguing, the lobes are getting worn, and the tappets, the lifters, are starting to make a noise, and they're chattering, and there's nothing that we can do except replace what's going on. So we're here with Matt Metternock on lead tech.
How you doing?
Here, and we're over top of this Jeep, and we're looking at what the camshafts actually are going through, and you can see a lot of the fatigue, the wear marks, and the camera may not be able to pick it up, but there's very, very fine pieces of metal around this, and all of the areas that you see that are shiny are fairly are okay there, but then you get wear marks like in here where you see the rubbing that has taken place, and these tappets down below will start to deteriorate. So the thing is that you got to replace them, and so we have a kit that's ready to go. These are all new camshafts and all the tappets and lifters and such, and we're going to install those and get this vehicle back up and running nice and quietly. But it's a very common issue, and it really needs to be taken care of. There's only one way to do it. That's replace the camshafts, and again, it runs across the whole Chrysler line for a multitude of years. I think we can probably say about 5 or 6 years worth of makes and models that this engine has caused a lot of issues. So anyway, again, one of the things about owning a car, as they get older, it's going to have to be repaired. This is one. Fortunately, there is some warranty to it, and the customer's going to get away with a little bit of assistance. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care, as always, drive safe, drive smart, drive healthy. Right, Matt?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.